Nice.
Sound speed.
And mark it. And let's roll sound.
Sound speed.
And we'll mark it. Alright, and roll sound, please.
Sound speed.
And mark it. And roll sound.
Sound's rolling.
Mark it. And let's roll sound.
Sound speed.
And mark it.
Sound speed.
And mark it.
Roll sound, please.
Sound speed.
Mark it.
Sound speed.
Mark it.
Sound speed.
So, down dog, sun salute, and cobra every day, whether you run or not, and that should help you with your hamstring.
Thanks. Why don't I book another session with you for next week?
Great. I'll have to thank Laura for sending you to me.
Oh, Laura's great, isn't she?
A really good friend.